Choose the hammer that's right for you. Get a shallow fetch. Light and easy, or go get them all day, buddy. A quick tip on selecting the right hammer for the work you do and how you build, improve, or fix houses. And I've got two here, and they are in some ways the same, but in other ways different. So we'll start with this one. This is the hammer I use all the time. It's a wood-handled hickory with an axe sort of flare at the bottom, and I use this not because I'm bashing nails so much all day, and that's what it's for. It's for carpenters who used to have to get around and swing and hit hard at a bottom plate in a wall. They used to usually started out as actually axe handles. I use it to hook my hammer loop and drop my hammer in there. That's what I use it for. I don't need it for that kind of leverage. Anymore, I use a hammer mostly to pry things off. So, for example, removing a piece of trim in a remodel or something like that. So I can get this hammer in because the claw has a very shallow, what's called fetch. And the more shallow a fetch is, the more able this unit is to get in behind something and pry it out. The more of a curl that it has, the less able it is. In fact, it's impossible to get it in. But a wood-handled hammer is not the world's most durable style of hammer. Also, this head is titanium. I'm a professional. I wear this all the time. It's light. And that matters when I wear this all day, every day. On the other hand, it's also more expensive. On the other hand, there are less expensive and ironically more durable options. This is an all steel hammer. This is Milwaukee's hammer. It's a framer, and this piece of steel is going to go all the way through this rubber overmold, and the only way to break this thing is probably to lose it. It too has a professional fetch. This one's very flat, and it has a framer detail called a waffle face, and that is for gripping nails. So when you smash down on top of a nail, you're doing a lot of hammering. This is going to have a lot more friction than this. But I use this remodeling, so I can't have this bashing into my work. There's another thing about wood-handled hammers, and to me, I kind of like it, and it's this. I'll try to show you right here. See that? I got a little depression in there because actually the head's coming loose. And that's okay. I don't mind because I can do this trick that I love. It makes no sense, but man, it works. If you've got a loose hammer head, you can take a hammer like this. Again, this is pretty much industrialized permanence. And if it's your style, or, I forgot this, if you do a lot of rough carpentry and a lot of nail pulling and really jamming on it, you're breaking up floors, you're smashing stuff, in a demo sense, this is the kind of hammer that's really gonna last and give you some mileage. This is more of a craft tool. But if your hammer head comes loose, all you gotta do no tricks, nothing up my sleeve. One hammer for this, one hammer for that. This is a stiletto, this is a Milwaukee, same company owns both. Choose the hammer that's right for you. Get a shallow fetch, light and easy, or go get them all day, buddy. Either way, it's out there. Hope you guys have a great day. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, follow us on social media. It's all MyFixitUpLife.